Market Intelligence Report. July 10, 2026 General Crypto Market. Crypto VC funds are getting distracted by more exciting opportunities outside the digital assets industry. This shift could be worth watching for future funding trends. Eric Trump's Bitcoin bet erases $600 million from family fortune. This outcome highlights the risks associated with concentrated crypto mining bets. Geopolitical and macroeconomics. Bitcoin weakens as Trump's remarks raise fresh Iran war concerns. This development is generally viewed as causing short-term volatility in digital asset markets. Traditional finance plus crypto convergence. Circle receives final approval for a U.S. national digital currency trust bank charter. This is a significant milestone that could accelerate stablecoin integration with traditional banking infrastructure. Japanese lender launches Bitcoin-backed loans of up to $6.2 million. This development is generally viewed as strategic for expanding real-world utility of BTC in credit markets. Standard Chartered maintains its $100,000 Bitcoin target for end 2026, viewing recent strategy moves as a signaling issue rather than a solvency concern. Regulatory developments. Wall Street banks, including Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley, are tightening prediction market trading rules for staff due to insider trading concerns on platforms like Polymarket and CashApp. This type of regulation usually causes increased compliance burdens across prediction markets. Binance co-CEO reports 70% of EU withdrawals moved to self-custody after MiCA deadline. This outcome highlights user preference for non-custodial solutions amid regulatory tightening. U.S. prosecutors charge a prisoner over alleged laundering of $290,000 in seized Kraken crypto. This case underscores ongoing enforcement focus on crypto-related financial crimes. DEFI and RWA tokenization. New Hampshire Executive Council rejects first Bitcoin-backed municipal bond proposal. This outcome highlights ongoing regulatory and structural challenges in bringing crypto-collateralized instruments to traditional municipal finance. AI and blockchain. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf is reportedly seeking $3.5 billion in debt financing for a Kentucky data center leased by AI company Anthropic. This convergence of Bitcoin mining infrastructure with AI compute demand is generally viewed as strategic for future revenue diversification. Prediction markets. Wall Street banks restrict employee participation in prediction markets amid fears of insider information leakage. This development is generally viewed as strategic for risk mitigation but may reduce liquidity and participation from institutional players. Risk/opportunity analysis. Circle's bank charter approval presents a major opportunity for stablecoin issuers to gain institutional trust and custody capabilities. The rejection of the Bitcoin muni bond and VC pivots signal near-term caution for certain RWA and early-stage crypto investments. Self-custody trends post-MiCA and Bitcoin lending expansion in Japan point to maturing user behavior and product innovation. Recommendations: short, mid, long-term. Short-term. Monitor Bitcoin price action closely around geopolitical headlines and Circle charter implementation news. Mid-term. Watch for further traditional finance partnerships with stablecoin and Bitcoin lending products. Long-term. Position for infrastructure plays combining AI data centers with Bitcoin mining operations. Risk warnings. Geopolitical tensions can trigger rapid Bitcoin volatility. Regulatory tightening on prediction markets and self-custody preferences may pressure centralized platforms. Concentrated bets in mining or specific tokens carry outsized downside risk as demonstrated by recent family office losses. Key metrics to watch. Bitcoin price reaction to any further Iran-related headlines, progress on Circle's new national trust bank operations, volume and participation trends on Polymarket and CashApp following bank restrictions. Adoption metrics for Bitcoin-backed lending products in Asia. This is not financial advice. This has been your daily market intelligence report for the July 10, 2026.